Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10L, and today I would like to show you how you can download and then apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, just open Play Store and type in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then you need to install this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist, and open it. After that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner and select Settings at the top. Now you need to click on I accept in the pop-up and then adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you wish to. When you're finished, you need to click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time select Set as Live Wallpaper over here. Click on Set Wallpaper and tap on one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. I will go with Home Screen only, so now when I click on it and tap on the Home button, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!